Hey, this is BlindFox and welcome at my Ration review. Please support the channel, please subscribe and please go and donate on patreon.com. So today's menu we got from Pablo's Cave Shop on eBay, so go and check him out. And it is a Czech IMRE individual meal ready to eat. I think it's either menu 11 or 2, I can't remember. I think it's menu 2. Or it should be menu 2. And it already expired. So customers had they cut it open. It looks like it, so let's hope we have everything still in here. It's just a box in a nice thick bag. Okay, we've removed the box from here, so it's just, when you remove the box, it's just sort of a flat plastic bag, which I think customs or someone cut open. And I hope everything is inside. See if we can read some of these. I don't know if you can read any of that, but if you can, there we go. This thing already expired. Alright, let's see what's in this box. You can see they sort of cut it up a bit. They just sort of cut through the box, sadly. Hopefully everything was fine. So it's a nice sturdy box. So let's see what's in here. First off, we've got the bag. It's just a normal bag with some tissues and wet wipes. Got 3 wet wipes and or serviettes, and the whole pile of serviettes. Looks like 3 as well, maybe 4. Oh, 4. We've got some pork goulash or pork stew in a can. It's 415, 475, 450 grams, 415 grams of it. Quite a lovely, nice meal, and it's got a ring pull. We've got 2 crisp breads. I can't see that there's any difference between them. There might be. So I can't see that there's a difference in this, but yeah, we've got 2 crisp breads. We've got some chicken, 215 grams. So this can be another main. This looks like luncheon meat, 75 grams. We've got 120 grams. I think this is pate. Some other pate. We've got 3 strawberry jams. Looks quite nice. We've got 2 chocolates. So this is one of the energy drink or isotonic drink. It might say what it is, but I can't read that. This is very shiny, but this looks like 2 coffees. We've got 2 packets of tea. We've got 2 sweets. Or a mint. We've got 2, I think, vitamin pills. And a lot of other shiny packets, which I will go and see if I can figure out. Okay, the very shiny things is 2 packets of salt. Supposed to be 8 sugars, but one of the sugars is sort of empty. I think it might have sprung a hole. Since customs opened this, I don't know if it spilled in the box, but there is our little ration. So I hope everything that was in here is still in here. Since it was open. So I'll divide this into 3 meals and we will check it out. So I got this from Pablo's Cave Shop on eBay. Go and check him out. He's got interesting rations. He's got some Polish stuff, some Czech stuff, some German stuff, and he's got some other stuff that's really interesting. So this was menu number 2. And it already expired. So I stored this in a nice or quite good temperatures since I got it. So I'll check everything out. So we'll have three more videos. So thanks for watching. Please support the channel, please subscribe, and please go and donate on patreon.com. See you at my next ration review.